friends, today I am making gajar ka halwa. It's an Indian sweet dish and mostly it is cooked during winter season. So please join me in my kitchen. Ingredients required to make gajar ka halwa are half kg grated carrot, 1 bowl sliced almonds, half a bowl of cashew nuts sliced, little of raisins, 1 bowl of grated khoya, we even call it as mawa, 2 spoons of desi ghee, sugar and 1.5 liter of milk. So friends, let's start making gajar ka halwa. For this we require a kadhai which is little deep, and we require the base of the kadhai should be thick so that the milk does not stick to the bottom. And the second important thing we require is that the kadai should not be of iron, because if you are making it in iron vessel or kadai or a wok, then it may turn black in color. So please avoid iron kadai. So let's start. So in a kadai, we'll first add half a kg of grated carrot. Now I will add 1.5 liter of milk to it. Now this is a very simple Indian sweet dish, and I'm making this gajar ka halwa in a very old and traditional way. I remember my mother used to make in this manner, and it's very easy. We have to cook carrot with milk. Just give it a boil. You can see after giving it a boil, our gajar ka halwa will look like this. You can even call it as gajar ki kheer at this moment, and it's very healthy and nutritious. I remember my mother used to give me this kheer, and I used to really relish it, and she used to put little of honey and give this kheer to me, and it's really very tasty. So try and giving your kids like this. It's more healthy and nutritious. So I'm going to take out little for my kids, because even I want to give them this kheer. So now I will add little of honey to it, and then I will serve this kheer to them, and it really tastes yummy when it's hot. Rest I will keep in low flame for 30 minutes, and but don't forget to stir it in between. You can just do your work, but I will suggest you to come back and just see your gajar ka halwa and stir it once so that it does not stick to the bottom. After cooking it for 30 minutes in low flame, our milk will condense and it will look like this. So now almost our gajar ka halwa is ready. We can add 1 or 2 spoons of desi ghee to it. It's optional, it's your wish. Now I will be adding sugar to it. 3 spoons of sugar is enough, because gajar itself is little sweet, and if you add more of sugar it will be very sweet then. Now you can see it already contains a lot of milk in it, and it's leaving its own oil. It's getting cooked in its own oil. So this is the old way of making gajar ka halwa. Nowadays they're just boiling the carrot and then adding mawa to it. Now we'll add some cashew nuts to it, little of almonds, nuts should be according to your taste. If you like lot of nuts, you can add lot of nuts to it. They are very nutritious. If you don't like nuts, you can avoid them. So rest everything is according to your taste. Sugar, nuts, now a little of raisins. Now I will add this grated khoya to it. It's again optional. So if you don't want to add grated khoya, you need not to bother. Now you can see our gajar ka halwa is ready. So friends, you can see our gajar ka halwa is ready, or you can say carrot halwa is ready. It's so simple and easy to make. So try this recipe and let me know how it tastes. Keep on watching Honey Kitchen for more videos. Thank you.